दक्षिण गोय अपघातमुक्त करपा खातीर गोवा यांच्या रोल अँड मार्टिन्सान बेगोबेग कृतीचो आराखडो करपाची खर मागणी केल्या। रस्तो सुरक्षा समितीचे बसकेत उलयतना तांणी वाडत वचपी अपघात, पिवन गाडयो धांवडोवपाच्यो घडणुको खात्यांमदी समन्वय कारवाय जावंक नाशिल्ल्यान हुस्को तांणी उक्तायलो। शाळांनी आनी पर्यटकांमदी जागृताय मोहीम करपाची काळाची गरज आसा अशेंय तांणी मुखार सांगले। या संदर्भात सरकारी खाती कितें पावलां उबारतली हाचेर लक्ष केंद्रीत आसा। पळयात।
The involvement of in a more proactive way of certain members. One is, for example, Director of Health Services, that we have highlighted that the trauma care, ambulance position should be given on a reporting on every month basis. Okay, that is one, because the accident victims are shifted to Goa Medical College. So once they go to Goa Medical College, where we are not getting a report that how many people, we are getting reports only of those who have died. There are people who have gone into coma. There are people who have suffered permanent disability. So this data is not being there. So that was one. Second thing, we have highlighted the role of the education department. Now, education department has a very significant role. Every school has to have a children transport committee which is to be functional. At the same time, they have a responsibility of promoting the road safety patrol, RSP, which is a scheme of the traffic police and traffic wardens. So we have highlighted that. Plus, there were textbooks like were given in each of the schools to cover the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th standard on road safety. So today we have requested the education department to give on a monthly basis report of what is going on, how these books are being used, and what improvements can be there. Tourism department has a very significant role on the issue of road safety. Rent a car, rent a bike is a scheme that lots of tourists are using, and therefore we are asking that there should be a very big campaign to reach out to these tourists about how they should drive, what are the road safety measures they have to take. Reporting on the excise department, that every month they have to give a report on the don't drink and drive signages. They have to be in all the bars and restaurant. So now he has given the assurance that all the paintings will be done by 20th of February. Yes, so today what he says, it will all be done by 20th February. We'll wait and see. Today is the 20th. There are 8 days left. So if it is happening or not, we will bring it to the notice of the collector.